So my two compressor idea didn't work very well. So I decided, well, I'm going to fill up the radiator on Ole Sully, and I figured out how to adjust the pressure. I got it up to 125, which is the optimal pressure for that sand washer. So we're going to crank up Ole Sully and see what happens. See if we can get this little bit of a door done. I'm only going to do this one door today, and maybe a little bit on my wife's cast iron pot. So I don't want to run Sully too much until I get that radiator fixed. I mean, the leak, I don't know if it's in the radiator. I don't think so. But anyway, without further ado, we'll try to get this position where we can see me starting it. Lights are on, and Sully is home. See what she does over here. She's kind of surging. The tank is coming up really fast. The tank is building pressure really fast. Watch this. So we get it up to 125. It's leveled out now, so it's doing good. Not quite up to 120, but I think it'll do okay. So you can watch me do just a little bit, but it's loud. Everything's loud. Everything we do is loud. Get it adjusted just right. Okay, that's it for now. Let me finish this up. Let me get back with you. Take it easy.